back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Danny, and I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel by July 6th. So if you would like to help me out with that in literally whatever way possible, it would mean the absolute world to me. But I'm so happy that you're here today. I cannot believe that this is even happening, and even more so, I can't believe that I'm moving in less than 2 weeks. It simply does not feel real. And I don't know when it's going to feel real, but I wanted to start off the moving series as soon as possible, especially today, because I'm going to go see my unit for the first time in person. I just made it to our neighborhood. I haven't seen it like during the day like this on a beautiful Saturday. I genuinely don't think we could have ended up in a better location, honestly. It's making me even more excited. So I'm gonna hang around here until Madeline and her parents get here. And then we're gonna head into the unit and take all of our measurements. I'm feeling really good about this, guys. I have a really good feeling. Oh my god, she's so cute. Oh my god, whoa. Are you guys ready to see my place? This is crazy. It like doesn't feel real to be here at all, but let's just do the apartment tour. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my new home. Welcome to my apartment. I figured we could kick this off with an empty apartment tour because why not? Let's just start in the kitchen, shall we? This is the kitchen. We have all brand new appliances. Here is the fridge. I guess you have to open it from the bottom. Comes with a wine rack and everything. Down here is the freezer. There's tons of storage space in here, which will be perfect because there's 3 of us. Also so much counter space, which is gonna be really, really nice considering we're gonna have a Keurig and different things that we wanna keep out on the counter. But we have an oven, we have a dishwasher, and then tons of storage up here, which is amazing. Little window in the kitchen, more storage and a sink. And here we have the bathroom. Again, this bathroom is super updated. Everything is brand new. We literally could not ask for better. And then as you walk across, this is where our couch is gonna go. I actually think this is gonna end up being the perfect space because what we're planning on doing is getting an L-shaped couch and then putting the TV right there. In here, I believe this is gonna be Madeline's room. She has her closet over in that corner. And this is Amanda's room. She gets some nice light in here, honestly. And then her closet is over there. And here we go. This is my room. No closet in here, so that's definitely going to pose a bit of an issue. But what I did was I already taped down the entire space to try and tell me where my bed is gonna go and then try and figure out what space I have for additional furniture. The lighting in here is kind of ideal. It's definitely smaller in person than it was in the video, but that's just New York for you. It would be impossible for us to find a unit at our price point with big bedrooms. Like that just like doesn't exist. You pay for New York City, not for big fancy apartments. But this one is still really nice, so I'm happy with all of this. I think over here in this corner, what I'm gonna end up doing is putting a dresser, because since I don't have closets, I need to like maximize all the storage possible. So I think what I'm gonna do is get a dresser and then use the top of that dresser as a place to do my makeup and take meetings, I guess, as I sit on the foot of my bed. And then over here, there's a little nook. I don't know if you can see between this wall and the window. And I'm gonna do some like clothing racks over here because Ikea sells stuff like that. And I'm gonna maybe get one of them and then shelves so that I can put boxes up here to store more of my clothing. But what I am excited about is I have a lot of wall space over here, which means I can have a ton of fun with decorating. I'm gonna get into all of that in a future video. It's gonna be cozy in here for sure. This is by far the smallest bedroom I hope I'll ever have in my life, but I'm excited. I'm moving out, I'm moving to New York City, and I don't know, all good things are happening. Today I'm taking my first ever trip to Ikea. I can't believe I'm 22 and I've never been. Okay, actually, I know. Okay. I have been to Ikea before, but how old was I?
Like maybe 6?
Maybe 6 years old. So I definitely don't remember Ikea, and the only time that I was there, can I say it? My parents left me in the ball pit.
For a little while. It's
It's
a great ball pit. Like 2 hours.
Okay, so I've been to Ikea before, didn't have the best experience, I guess we could say, but now we are going to shop for my first ever apartment, which is very, very exciting. Every time I think of Ikea, I think of the movie 500 Days of Summer, because they have all those Ikea scenes, you know what I'm talking about? Which is always very cute. But yeah, we're on the hunt for some things to fill my little bedroom with. I hope we can find something. Let's go! Look, we kind of match. We do. Cute. Adorable. Wait, where? They actually still have the ball pit? Oh my god, that'd be so funny. Thinking maybe something like this to make up for the fact that I don't have a closet, because it would have the mirror. And then in here, I could keep all of my makeup. And then down here, it has a bunch of storage space. So this could work. Yeah, I like that too. And I told you, I like when my bed is against a wall.
And then you can have the shelves over.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you get a video of it?
Yeah, I did. Okay, we've moved on from bedding and now we're covering decor. I think I'm just gonna get like a bunch of prints for my room, and especially over my bed, I wanna get a ledge where I can kind of stagger a whole bunch of frames and they'll overlap but look really, really pretty. So for one wall, I think I'm gonna get a bigger print like this, and then for a smaller wall, I'll show you what we're gonna do. Yeah.
You wouldn't want it to be, so I think 4.
Yeah, I think 4 too. Just a whole bunch of sizes, and I think we can do one bigger than this. Some progress. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah.
Nice. And as a good Samaritan does, I'm putting away my cart. My first trip to Ikea was a raging success. I'm actually very, very impressed. I didn't think I was gonna buy as much as I did, and now I have a whole list of things to buy once I get home. Okay, you and I are gonna have a little chat. This weekend has been a whirlwind of emotions, to say the least. Obviously, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I was super excited. I could not stop smiling, and I'm still super excited. Moving to New York City has been something that I've been working towards and waiting for such a long time. So regardless of what circumstances were laid out in front of me, this was always gonna be a really, really exciting experience for me, and it continues to be that. But that doesn't mean that everything always goes perfectly or according to plan, and I am living proof right now that you really have to be more careful with what you agree on. As I mentioned in previous videos, I did not see this unit before signing the lease. That is the first mistake that I made, and probably the biggest mistake that I've made in this entire process so far. If you're gonna take anything from this video, I hope it's this, that before you make major decisions in your life, always make sure that you see things with your own eyes. It doesn't matter how much you trust people and how many good intentions are behind everything. It's always best to be able to make decisions for yourself in a sense, and just always listen to your gut. If you feel like you need to do some more double checking, if you feel like you need to do some more research, do that. Because I promise if you don't, sometimes it comes back to bite you in the ass, and that's what's happening to me right now. The room that I'm gonna be living in is significantly smaller than anything I thought it was going to be. I saw so many videos of this place before signing the lease, and you would think that would be enough, but it is not. Like, videos quite frankly, make my room look so much larger than it is. And when you walk in there, it is like jaw-dropping. Honestly, you can hear it in the video previously. When I walk into the room, I go, oh my God. And that was my initial reaction at how small this room is. But here's the thing, that's life. And at the end of the day, this is such a first world problem, and I am so aware of that. So I refuse to have this be something that I harp on and make it a huge deal and have it just like really eat me up, because it's just like not worth it at the end of the day, because I'll waste time and waste energy sitting around bitching about a small room, but that small room is in such an incredible neighborhood, in such an incredible city. And more than anything, it signifies such a huge accomplishment in my life. So why would I waste time bitching about a small room? All this means is that I'm going to have to get really creative. I am going to have to make sacrifices with my sleeping arrangements and definitely have my room look a little bit different than I had envisioned it. But again, say it with me, ladies and gents, that's just life. And you know what? At the end of the day, I'm just trying to remind myself that I don't even want to be spending that much time in my room to begin with. I've spent so much time in my room this entire past year, and especially because I'm moving to New York City during the summertime, do I really want a room that's gonna make me want to stay there all day and all night? No. I actually think it might be a good thing for me, because if my room is super small, I'm gonna want to keep it to having two functions: sleeping and changing my clothes. And other than that, I'm gonna be forced to get out there, and hopefully that means going to the office more often and making friends at work and going to coffee shops and working there, and I don't know, stuff like that. Now, does this make any sense? I don't really know, but I have tried to do a really good job up until this point on this channel to be super candid, and I would like to continue that throughout this series because it is such a big change for me. And just as you guys are probably learning stuff about moving to New York City from my videos, I'm learning as I'm experiencing all of this. Like, I'm by no means a pro, so really we're learning together. Anyway, that's my chat for the night. Did you like it? I hope so. Many more moving vlogs are coming very soon, so if you're excited for that and you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe and let me know in a comment, because you know how much I love reading your comments. And I'll talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye.